Okay, I'm making some soup now. Don't worry.
I want to eat now, right now. I'm so hungry.
Emily, darling, you have to wait. But soup doesn't get ready that fast. Oh, I just remembered. We've got some porridge in the fridge. Oh no, it's so cold. But how can we warm it up very fast?
Is the soup ready yet?
Oh no, sweetheart, the soup is not yet ready. But we've got some porridge and we're gonna warm it up very fast. We have a new microwave oven. In this special cooking set, we've got a microwave oven and a juicer. Wow, this is such a cool juicer. But we don't need it now because it cannot warm the food. Whoa, take a look at this microwave. It can be used for warming food faster. Yay! Oh, look, there's chicken inside. But we don't need it now. Let's put the porridge in the bowl. Here we go. Let's press here, 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 and here. It's working! Can't wait to see what we get. It's ready. Let's open it. Whoa, so fast! Look, Emily, the porridge is here. Have some. There you go.
Yummy! Oh, thank you! Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. It's so tasty! Yum, 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 yum.
Great job, Emily. You ate all your porridge. Okay, what would you like to do now?
I want to watch a cartoon.
That's amazing, Emily. And what tastes better with a movie than popcorn?
Yay! Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn!
With our microwave, we can not only warm food, but also make some microwave popcorn. And to make the popcorn, we need a bowl. And some plasticine, white and orange. First, we'll make the seed. Let's put the seed in the bowl. The popcorn is ready. Next, we're gonna put the popcorn in a snack box. Here, we've got 2 of them.
What about some juice? I want some juice! Yay!
Of course, sweetheart. And for that, we'll use our new juicer. There! We got some fresh orange juice. It's movie time, Emily. Let's go.
Hi, Grace. Hi, Emily. Oh, I'm so excited for the movie.
Here's your popcorn. Dig in, everybody. Dig in. Okay, girls. Here we go.
That's so funny.
Now you know how a microwave works. By the way, do you like movies? Well, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.